Welcome everybody, another Star Wars week this week. Got three sort of B-level characters, I guess maybe C or D-level characters to be honest. They're the generic Rebel B-Wing fighter pilot. Got the sort of the flak jacket on the back, a lot of small details on his helmet here. Got the cable, the ear pads, and got of course all our little gear on the front. No real details on his legs, or boots for that matter. He did come with a small pistol. I don't have. Head is like most of these Star Wars characters. Head's really stiff there, but he's I'm pretty sure they did. You know, they did make a B-Wing toy back in the day. I had to think about that. I never had that. I didn't have many of the vehicles. I've got a few of the smaller ones, but as far as like the bigger, nicer ones, I didn't never have many of those. I guess I spent all my money on G.I. Joe stuff, G.I. Joe vehicles at that point. But yeah, but there. Get a good look at him all around. Oh yeah, on the top too. That's got looks like it's supposed to be a leather. Looks like an old-timey, like World War I leather flight cap with a helmet around it, don't it? But anyway, that's our B-Wing pilot. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.